slow New Yorkers. We were stretching, excellent. Then we had another slow New Yorker, of course. Yeah, so this was section number 1. Section number 2, 2 fast Cuban breaks. We were having fun here, excellent. So the next section, we explain you first, what is the idea? So because Mana was doing here Cuban breaks, it was sense of out, in, out, in. The third section, we decide to make a walk and really travel, make a real rumba walk towards the camera from there. So we will walk forward like a real step. And then from here, we decide to create a closing for legs for the girl, and the man will go to the side step, boom. And we finish with a series of stationary twist, tick, 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 into that sitting position. So this is section number 3.
Sorry.
No, like this was good, yeah. No. So one more time. So section number 3, just explanation. So it consists with a walk forward, then we have a closing for the girl, side step for the man. Then we have for the girl, we have just stationary crazy twist, 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 twist. And here, for the girl, she will have like a break. And for the man, exactly the same break. But for the guys, we would like a little bit change direction and go sideways. Yeah, break. Yeah, not sit, break. Yeah, break. So what is the difference? So sit will be 2 knee bend, break 1 knee straight. And maybe for man, it's better to do 2 straight legs. For the girl, will be this position. So let's do one more time. So section number 3 is a walk forward, closing for the legs, for the lady, side step for the man. We go twist, 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 and here we have a break. Just till there. Let's do exactly the same reverse angle. Slowly. So section number 3, after we did our Cuban breaks, our New Yorkers, we're going forward, walk, girl closing her legs, man stepping side, we go tweet, tweet, tweet into the break. Okay, now timing of this movement. So we step forward, count 2. We close leg for the girl, count 3. And for the man, side point, 3. We have a cha-cha-1, twist, cha-cha-1. And on count 2, we have a break, 2. So one more time, timing. So we have 2, we're closing 3, cha-cha, 1 and 2. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1 and 2, hitting this position. So let's try with our amazing couple here. We try stay a little bit center. Thank you.